Eyes of silver, mirror, mirror, thread on wood and steel. Keep what can be kept and heave to see which one will kneel. I've been told to wait, but why should there be silence? Drawing pretty laces, weaving capes of gold and framing muffled faces. I can be different, I can't be puppeted. Garden evergreen was what I thought that I would see. Branches meet my steps, their kisses open up ravines. Fences frozen